Hi everyone. So as I explained yesterday, you're going to go to the website readworks.org, and then you're on the right, you're going to click on the student login. And here you're going to log in with your Google account and enter the class code. And once you've done that, you will continue and you will see the reading. So I'm going to go to the reading. I'm going to log in. I log in a little differently. So I'm going to log in just to show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, and you will see you have been assigned the reading Everglades. So it's called Are the Everglades Forever? So you'll see in the reading that at the top is the passage. So you'll read the passage. It's just one page to the bottom. When you finish the passage, the vocabulary, there's not much vocabulary in this. There's only 3 words, but they're really rich meanings. They give you lots of examples to understand the complexity of the word. And then finally, the question set is here. You'll see they are multiple choice until you get to the bottom, and at the bottom you have to write your answers. Okay, and then you can't get the answers. Only I can get the answers, so we'll go over the answers once you have finished the assignment. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.